How long has it been since we did the treatment?
30 days.
Just a month?
Mhm.
Okay. And what are you seeing?
I call it an undercoating, you know, to where my hair looks fuller just because the hair's coming up. And I can kind of touch it and it feels a little bristling.
So you're feeling like the little bristles of the new hair coming out?
Mm-hmm. I have no shedding.
And the shedding has stopped?
Stopped.
How much shedding did you have before?
A lot. You know, like every time I comb my hair, I'd go like this, I'd have hair. Well, now I can wash my hair and I might get one or two.
Oh my God.
You know, so it is awesome.
How does that make you feel?
It makes me feel like I want to go out more. I'm not as self-conscious. I'm prouder, you know. I felt older with my hair thinning, so I kept cutting it. I used to have a lot long, full hair, and so I keep cutting it. Now I'm thinking about letting it grow, but it'll have to take a while to catch out, you know, to catch up. But
Because the new ones are,
mhm.
how short are they? Can you tell?
Oh yeah, I mean, you know, I can go like this and you can just see it.
Not just your friend, but somebody who's just thinking about doing it.
Absolutely, must do. When I've purchased every vitamin, every supplement, every hair product, tried regular PRP with individual shots, nothing compared to what I went through.
What is it that makes this process that we do different than what you've experienced before?
Well, I understand it's the kits and the amount of blood draw where you're getting more growth factors, and most places that I've been to didn't use a kit, and I know it's the process.
And from your perspective, your experience with us and with what we do, how does that differ?
100% different.
In what way?
There was educational videos, there were certain supplements. Bill is very helpful in staying in touch with me to make sure I was completely ready for doubling the iron, making sure I was had lots of fluid. I was ready for the draw, you know, and I can't think of the word for it, but hydrated. Yeah, properly hydrated. All that is important. And then especially afterwards, I made sure there was no hair coloring or anything on my scalp for 30 days. So I followed the instructions, and I think that's very important.
Anything else you'd want to say to somebody that's asking?
To absolutely give it a try.